Hello, I'm Michael Hartl. Welcome to Learn Enough HTML to be dangerous. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the universal language of the World Wide Web. Every time you visit a website, the site's web server sends HTML to your browser, which then renders it as the web page you see on your screen. Because HTML is everywhere, it's important for anyone who works with web technologies to know the basics. That includes developers, designers, and even managers. As you might expect, there are a lot of HTML tutorials on the web, but most of them use toy examples and focus on learning HTML syntax in isolation. We take a different approach here with Learn Enough HTML to be dangerous. We're going to be using industrial strength tools right away, thanks to the foundation that's been laid by the developer fundamentals, command line, text editor, and Git. That's going to let us deploy a production HTML website in this first section, which means we'll always be learning HTML in the context of a real production website. We'll begin in the first section with the first thing that we always do, which is to make something that says Hello World. In this case, a Hello World web page, which we'll actually deploy to production. We'll then fill in this index page with formatted text, links, and images in the second section, and then we'll expand it into a multiple page website with more advanced features like tables and lists in section 3. Finally, in section 4, we'll add some inline styling to our website, which will allow us to see the effect of simple style rules on plain HTML, and will lay the foundation for the next tutorial in the sequence, Learn Enough CSS and Layout to be dangerous. Let's get started.